I was a little girl, you brought a fight to my world. I've been shy, I've been silent for too long. You bring me the sunlight. You bring me the sunlight.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to show you how you'll be able to set your audience settings using your mobile phone. Guys, first of all, you need to download or to have this app or app, which is YT Studio. So we'll just have to click on YT Studio. Then you will see your dashboard. On your dashboard, go to videos. Then choose, or guys, if you will be editing or classifying your videos using your phone, you'll have to edit it one at a time. So for example, this video of mine, I'll just click on it. Then on top, you will see 3 buttons. Just click on the first one, which says Edit Video button. Then you will see basic info, monetization, and advanced settings. Just click on the third one, which is advanced settings. Then you will see this portion, audience. There is a question, is this video made for kids? Then you will see these 2 options, made for kids and not made for kids. So for this video of mine, guys, I chose no, it's not made for kids. So once you've chosen, or once you're done classifying, just click on save, which is on top here. So just click on it, then you're done. Done for that video. So again, if you want to edit another video, just go back to your video, your videos, and then just click it one by one. As you can see, it was very quick and easy, guys. I hope you learned something, or I hope this video is very helpful to you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later, guys. Toodles! Bye!